Hi everybody, it's Barbdale Judas with Beenie and Baby, and I'm sitting at my desk right now, and I love birds. These are my two pet cockatiels. Beenie, he's 16 years old, and Baby's 22. For a little while, and they like to be petted and get their daily pets and massages, and they love to watch other bird videos like Marlene McCohan's channel we love, and Baby and Beanie make me turn it on every day. They want to see, hey, down, don't fight. Oh, there. Here, you want to sit on my lap? Pretty soon we're gonna go in and eat our lunch. I put a tablecloth on the floor and we eat our lunch. Come on, baby. Beanie, there. Come on, you want to come down? Yes. Here he comes, baby. And I gave him some little raw pieces. Well, not raw, but pieces of oatmeal out of the box. They like it that way. I even eat it that way. And a little apple just for snacks. And I do have a mess I need to clean up throughout the house every single day. It's something you need to do when you have birds. You don't put it off or say, oh, I'm not going to do it. You have to do it. If you aren't going to do it, you shouldn't have a bird, because they're going to make a mess, and that's just the way they are. So yeah, so I'll say goodbye for now and see how this video turned out.